Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. You know what? I found this 1977 recipe pamphlet for Kix cereal, snacks, and desserts. And I thought, I better try something. And I found this one that sounds pretty good. It's called an East Indian cereal snack. Let's make it. Grab a big skillet and let's melt a 1/3 cup of butter. Did you know Kix has been around since 1937? It was developed during the Great Depression. I need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1½ teaspoons of curry powder, teaspoon of onion powder, and give it a stir. We need 1½ cups of raisins. I'm going to use the golden raisins. I'm going to cook them and stir them over low heat for a minute. They asked consumers what would they like in a cereal, and they said more vitamins and something that won't get soggy in milk. And Kix came to be. Stir in 4 cups of Kix and 2 cups of oyster crackers. Stir until all the butter is absorbed, about 2 minutes. In 1979, they came up with the famous slogan, "Kid tested, mother approved." And that slogan stayed for a really long time until 2018, when it changed to "Kid tested, parent approved." Curried Kix snack mix. Buttery. Love that curry flavor. Those raisins are really fun in there. It's a good snack. It's a good alternative snack for things like nuts and popcorn. It's fun. I think I'll give it a 6.2 out of 10. What do you call a ventriloquist act with no puppets? A show of hands.